Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer questions from transformations topic, trigonometry chapter. Let us see this question. In triangle ABC, prove that cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus cos C by 2 equals to 4 cos of pi minus A by 4 into cos of pi minus B by 4 into cos of pi minus C by 4. So this is a different model problem. So in this problem we can observe on RHS. RHS is in terms of pi. So these kind of problems we can proceed with RHS so that we can feel easy. So by simplifying RHS we can prove LHS easily. In triangle ABC, so let us start the solution. In triangle ABC, as you know already, sum of the angles of a triangle, sum of the three angles A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees in radians is pi, known as pi. So let it be equation number 1, which is useful in further process. So let us take RHS. RHS 4 cos of pi minus A by 4 into cos of pi minus B by 4 into cos of pi minus C by 4. Now we have product of three ratios, but if you observe formulas, we have formula for product of two ratios which can be converted into sum of the ratios. So let me keep one of these three ratios aside, as well as 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. So in formula only 1 2 is required. So let me keep one more 2 aside. So overall I would like to keep 2 cos of pi minus A by 4 separate. 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. So 1 2 I wrote here. So we have one more 2. I have to write here 2 into cos of pi minus B by 4 into cos of pi minus C by 4 same. Now let us write 2 cos of pi minus A by 4 same. Now bracket expression look like 2 cos A cos B. Assume pi minus B by 4 as A, pi minus C by 4 as B. If I remind formula 2 cos A cos B formula, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay. So we have to use this formula here. We have 2 cos A cos B. So we should write cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So cos of A, what is A here? Pi minus B by 4 plus B, B is pi minus C by 4. So cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, A pi minus B by 4 minus B pi minus C by 4. Now write this term same, 2 cos of pi minus A by 4 into, now simplification, cos of, so denominators are equal, so we can write same denominator 4. Now numerators can be added directly, pi minus B plus pi minus C plus cos of 4 LCM pi minus B. Now this minus applicable for both the terms. So on applying minus for both the terms, minus into plus minus pi, minus into minus C become plus. Now 2 cos of pi minus A by 4 same into cos of, so one of these two pi terms must be replaced with equation number 1. From equation 1, pi is known as A plus B plus C, no? So we can replace pi with A plus B plus C. So pi replaced with A plus B plus C. Write the remaining terms same, minus B plus pi minus c whole divided by 4 plus cos of, here minus pi plus pi can be cancelled. Now we have minus b plus c. So better to say b minus c. So if you take minus common, minus b plus c changes as minus of b minus c by 4. So this replacement pi replaced with a plus b plus c from equation 1. Since from 1. Now 2 cos of pi minus a by 4 into cos of, what is the possible simplification here? Minus b plus b cancel, minus c plus c cancel. Now we left with a plus pi, which can also be written as pi plus a. Better to write pi plus a by 4 plus cos of minus theta. If you assume b minus c by 4 as theta, it look like cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta formula, cos theta. Cos of minus theta formula, cos theta. So this can be written as cos theta. Theta is what? B minus c by 4. Okay. Now to write next step, all of you observe here. Now possible simplification finished. Now we can multiply. So this is RHS now. 2 cos of pi minus a by 4 into cos of pi plus a by 4. Okay, this one into this one plus again this one into this one. 2 cos of pi minus a by 4 into cos of b minus c by 4. Now once again this term is in the form of 2 cos a cos b, where pi minus a by 4 is a, pi plus a by 4 is b. So again we can apply same formula, 2 cos a cos b formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Apply that formula. Cos of a, what is a here? Pi minus a by 4 plus b, pi plus a by 4. So I wrote cos of a plus b plus, I should write cos of a minus b, a pi minus a by 4 minus b pi plus a by 4. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Next in the middle we have plus. This is also in the form of 2 cos a cos b. Same formula. Cos of a plus b. Here a is pi minus a by 4. A plus b. B is b minus c by 4. So I wrote cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. I should write a is pi minus a by 4 minus b is b minus c by 4. Now cos of simplification part. 4 LCM 4. Denominators are same, numerators can be added directly. Pi minus a plus pi plus a plus cos of 4 LCM 4. Pi minus a, now minus into plus minus pi, minus into plus minus a plus cos of 4 LCM pi minus a plus b minus c plus cos of 4 LCM pi minus a minus b minus into minus c plus c. Now possible simplification, plus a minus a cancel. So cos of pi plus pi, 2 pi by 4 plus cos of, here minus pi plus pi gets cancelled, minus a minus 2a by 4 plus cos of, here pi from equation 1 pi can be replaced with a plus b plus c. Okay, in place of pi you write a plus b plus c. Write the remaining terms same, minus a plus b minus c whole divided by 4 plus cos of, same thing, pi can be replaced with a plus b plus c. Remaining terms same, minus a minus b plus c whole divided by 4. So this replacement is because of equation number 1. Now simplification part. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Cos pi by 2, cos 90 degrees. Okay, pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, you can write plus. Look like cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta formula known as cos theta. Cos theta. What is theta here? A by 2. Cos of minus a by 2. Cos a by 2. Plus. Here minus a plus a can be cancelled. Minus c plus c can be cancelled. So cos of b plus b, 2b by 4 plus cos of, here minus b plus b minus a plus a cancel. So we left with c plus c, 2c by 4. Now 2 ones are 2 twos. 2 ones are 2 twos. So cos 90 degrees value known as 0. 0 plus cos a by 2